Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a common issue that Chrome users encounter: images not loading. If you're facing this problem, don't worry. We'll guide you through some simple steps to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check for updates. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Click the three-dot menu located in the top right corner. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, go to Help and select About Google Chrome. Step 4. Chrome will display the Chrome is up-to-date message or install any available updates. Solution 2. Use Incognito mode. Step 1. A conflicting browser extension might be causing the issue. To test this, open the three-dot menu again. Step 2. Select New Incognito window from the drop-down menu or press Ctrl Shift N to open an incognito window. Solution 3. Adjust image settings. Step 1. Open Chrome's menu by clicking the three-dot menu and head to Settings. Step 2. From the left pane, click on Privacy and Security. Step 3. Select Site Settings and then click on Images. Step 4. Below Default Behavior, ensure that the Sites Can Show Images option is selected. Step 5. Additionally, check the Customize Behavior section to make sure you haven't added any site to the Not Allowed to Show Images list. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Google Chrome not loading images. Remember to keep your browser updated and check for conflicting extensions to ensure smooth browsing. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.